The Golden Joystick Awards, also known as the People's Gaming Awards, is the second oldest game award ceremony after the Arcade Awards, by awarding the best home computer and video games of the year, as voted for by the British general public. As of 2015, the ceremony was in its 33rd year. The awards were initially focused on computer games, but was later extended to include console games as well, following the success of video game consoles such as the Sega Master System and the Sega Mega Drive in the United Kingdom. This award ceremony is not related to the prize given away to successful contestants on Games Master, a British television show. As of 2014, it is the biggest video game award show in terms of the number of votes cast. Over 9 million votes were cast for the 2014 ceremony. Winners. 1980's 1983 awards were presented by DJ Dave Lee Travis at a ceremony in London's Berkeley Square. 1984 awards were presented by Jools Holland, at a ceremony in London. 1985 awards were presented by Jools Holland, at a ceremony on a Thames riverboat. 1986 the ceremony took place at Cadogan Hall. 1987 1988 awards were presented by Chris Tarrant. 1988 1989 the ceremony took place at Kensington Roof Gardens. 1989 1990 the ceremony took place at Kensington Roof Gardens, April 11, 1990. 1990's 1990 1991 the ceremony took place at Kensington Roof Gardens, April 4, 1991. 1991 1992 the ceremony took place at Hyde Park Hotel, London, on April 7, 1992. 1992 1993 1996 1997 the ceremony took place at Café de Paris, in November 1997. 2000's 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009 2010's 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014 Comedian Ed Byrne was a presenter at the event. Over 9 million votes were cast for the 2014 ceremony, making it the biggest gaming award show. 2015 The 2015 awards ceremony event took place at the Indigo 2, London, on the 30th of October 2015. The games nominated for the most awards were Bloodborne with 9 nominations, Her Story with 8, and Batman: Arkham Knight and Life is Strange with 7 each.